US crude oil this week has formed a bearish breakout below 84.70, and the price has also made a breakout below 82.94, where the price reached almost the start of this demand zone around 80.62. This has happened on Wednesday. Then on a Thursday the price continued to fall down, and on the Friday something has happened on the market. We can see a pretty strong week where the price has gone above first resistance level, then on the second resistance level, and the price could not stop there, but it has returned back down, forming this small candle body with strong wicks, which is a pretty indication of indecision on the market. On the weekly time frame, this looks as a bearish candle that has been formed on the chart, where the price has closed below 82.94, which is a bearish breakout to the lower side. Now on the monthly time frame, this looks as a bearish pin bar formed just here at the great resistance level at 82.94. But have in mind that we have 10 more days until this month ends, so this could also change as a bullish breakout on this price level, forming a pretty strong bullish candle, or also the price could have gone all the way back down, closing as a bearish candle with a strong candle body. So we have 1.5 more week until this month closes, so everything is still open, so I will not make any conclusions right here. But what I can say that currently the crude oil is forming this small uptrend, and it has a pretty strong candles body in the previous month. There is a possibility for the price that the price continues to rise in value. But currently what you can see on the lower time frames, it is indecision on the market, where the price could also change the direction. Currently what we can see is the previous in the 2 weeks before, the price has formed this bullish breakout, confirming, and then currently returning back down. So this support needs to hold, and also if this is a bearish breakout, needs to be confirmed next week in order to fall down even more. What we can see currently, a very important level for the price is also this one here, very close to this one here, 80.61. This will be much more visible on the daily time frame to see much more clear information about the position of these candles. Now as it looks currently, this was also some kind of bullish trend, which is currently canceling. Let's go to the daily time frame to see how this looks. Let's zoom out a little bit just to see a bigger picture. This was a daily uptrend where the price is formed, and this was a small cancellation of this uptrend where the price is formed these strong candles, bearish candles, and then on a Friday a small pretty big indecision on the market with small candle body. Now, very important level for the price, this one here, we can see 80.62, but on the upper side, it is a very important level here at 82.94. So the price needs to make conclusion. Will the price go all the way down to 78.36, which means a breakout below this one, or the price will continue to rise in value going above this one, 82.94. Currently for me it is unclear for the market where the price could go because of this strong candle wicks going up and down, and also the candle body closing just in between this resistance and support level here. So for now I will wait to see how the price behaves around this price level. If the price goes above, closes on the daily time frame above 82.94, this will be indication for me at least that the price could return back on the buying side, which means on the uptrend. But if the price goes down, it will be an indication for me that the price has entered inside the range area. Very unclear, will the price continue to rise in value or fall down even more. We can see this was a great resistance level for the price in the past, and this could be also a great support, just to see on the past where the prices behaved just like this. So for now, anything is open for me, and I will share that inside the Telegram with the traders on the daily basis when the price makes a breakout to the low side or the price returns back up going above that. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.